Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this brand new video, I want to show you how you can easily install the eToro app on your iOS device. Without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. First of all, make sure your device is connected to a secure internet connection. Let's head towards the App Store, which is a familiar blue icon app with an A in it. In the search bar above, you can just type in the keyword eToro. After hitting the search button, you can find various options available here, but we want the one with the green icon. After that, just click on Get to start the download process. It may ask you for your ID verification. Verify your identity with the Touch ID or the Face ID, and the download is getting started. As for your internet speed, it may take a few minutes, and when the progress bar turns into the Open button, you can just click Open and explore the app. Finally, guys, eToro is now available on your iOS device. You can explore the app by yourself. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.